I'm Justin Hild with Royal, and today I'm going to be showing you our newest Volkswagen Atlas. Right off the bat, you can tell this isn't like so many other SUVs on the road today. The Atlas has a strong, modern stance that distinguishes it from boxier peers. The available state-of-the-art LED headlamps don't just look great, integrated fog and cornering lights make them super safe too. Inside is really going to wow you though. When I say there's a ton of room in the Atlas, I mean a ton. Generous legroom for 7 means no more fighting over who has to sit in the back. And with those rear seats folded down, you're looking at nearly 97 cubic feet of cargo storage. Whatever you need to get done, the Atlas has all the room you need and then some. So it's spacious inside, it looks great, but how is it to drive? Atlas excels here too. The 8-speed transmission is adaptive and efficient, putting power where you need it and saving fuel when cruising around town. Of course, the Atlas also comes with the latest technology you want, like the digital cockpit display, App Connect streaming, and wireless device charging. All those reasons and more are why Consumer Reports recommends the new Volkswagen Atlas. Come test drive one today and see it for yourself on the corner of Highway 31 and I-65 in Vestavia.